Hello viewers, how are you? Today I will discuss how can you change an image background. As you can see I have taken two pictures, this and this. Now mainly our job is to replace the background of this girl from this background to that background. To do so, you must know how to select a subject from magnetic lasso tool, or another way you can also select it from the image section. If you are knowing channel selection, then it would be very beneficial for you. For your kind information, I will definitely say that I have made already a video on the channel selection. You can visit the playlist or you can visit the channel for this video. Okay then, I am zooming this image. You can clearly see this is a very high quality image with lots of detail. I would definitely say thank you for those who had uploaded this high quality image in the Unsplash. Now I am copying my background image. I am going to firstly take the channel selection if it is possible. Then I will do with that. If not, then I will simply go to image section and select the subject from there. You can see we are not getting desired result by channel selection. But even after that, let's go with the red channel. Make a copy of this red channel. It is known as alpha channel. Let's try to adjust level, hoping that our subject would get a single color in order to select it. No, we are not getting our desired result. You can see there are lots of things are selected with our subject. I am doing this lengthy process because only to understand your channel selection if you are not seen that video. Now let's go to our simple selection methods. Go to image section or you can go with the magnetic lasso tool and then press select subject. It would automatically select your subject from the image. But remember there should be high quality image in order to precisely select your subject. You can see I am changing the background just to make you how precisely our subject is selected because it is a very high quality image. Now move this subject from here to here. Our purpose is not only to move subject or to change the background only, but our motto is to change the background naturally. So in order to make the subject natural, we have to adjust its color balance more precisely. So I would open color balance from the image option. You are already knowing its shortcut, that is Control B. Please do this work smartly and take your time whatever it needed. See how I am adjusting midtones of this image. There is a trick. Look at the background. If it is warm, then adjust the three factors of color balance, that is shadows, midtones and highlight towards magenta, red and yellow. Or choose smartly from your brain whatever tone suits with the background. See, I am adjusting all three factors so that it matches with the background. Now let's adjust some curves. Now it's time for levels. Now see how our image is naturally matching up with the background. So it should be your motto that if you are removing the background, you should balance the color in order to give your image a more natural view. Hope this video is very helpful for you. See you in the next video where we will discuss some masking tricks in order to give your image a more epic view. Until then, take care of your guys. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.